Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Etsy mailbag. Just a quick answer to a quick question that someone has posted in the comments on one of my videos. And if you have a question, post yours. I'll answer it if I can. All right, so this question was interesting, and it's about translations. Etsy has said you don't need to translate things, and there are a couple ways that you can set up your shop so that you do the translations, or Etsy can automatically do the translations. And in general, Etsy is pretty good at translating things when it comes up and somebody types something in French or German or whatever. It'll translate it to English if that's, the language that they're searching in. Or if your shop is in German and the customer has their language set to English, it will translate it to English. This is a weird situation because I did some weird tests back a while back, and what it came down to was that it really depends on the customer's language settings, not on your shop's language settings. So I would say, and Etsy has said, it is not necessary to translate things and put those words in your listings because it will automatically translate everything as it comes up. And I think that's pretty accurate. The only thing that I saw that might make a difference is if you are using a French word and you're selling to a country that is set in English, like Canada, but it has a French speaking population in a specific region, like Quebec. So that gets a little tricky, but I would not worry about translating things. It does get very complicated, and trying to figure out what's going on can waste a lot of your time. So I would just post things and not worry about whether it's translated or not, because as long as you have the keywords there that will get people to your listing, Etsy will translate that. And you don't have to worry about how the customer is searching for it for a word order match, because word order match is not as important anymore as it used to be. And that's also something that people need to just kind of wrap your minds around. Word order match is not as important as it used to be. It's still kind of beneficial, but it's not critical. And if you have the word there, Etsy will translate it, and then you do have the match. All right, so if you have any questions you'd like me to answer, post them or just post a comment. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.